We're on an offshore drilling project here. We're doing 9 consecutive runs.
Help you guys out in the field, see what you guys. 12 miles, 30 days, a lot of people, a lot of pieces to this puzzle. It's all really new technology.
3D modeling now, we can start trimming immediately.
Be able to do certain training on some of these new things that are available. Michael seems to be right on top of it as far as going with the times and making sure that we have what we need in order to get going.
We're growing more and more in our knowledge about the different methods.
Everybody brings something different to the table.
Trying to take the advancement of the industry to the next level.
West Project is definitely a case study that shows the innovations in our industry.
That's good to go.
If we look back 10 years ago, this may not be something that was achievable in North America. We're able to provide very unique and feasible solutions for our clients to overcome some of these infrastructure challenges.
So we know that every year is going to be challenging, another obstacle, but we make it through it. And you know, a lot of people say, man, you're really on that project, and we're like, yes, but we don't think of it as this big gigantic project. We just look at it as, hey, it's something that we're here on, we know we can do it, and we're going to make it happen.